Yun.
Ready.
Go!
I should have brought mine as well.
Sa iyang video niya.
Okay na, naka-on na.
I should have brought mine pala ano. Oo. And para sa ano naman yan?
That's for braking.
Ah, for braking.
Yeah, para you slow you down. Kasi kung wala siyang parachute,
Sobra.
it will be very fast.
Okay mama, instruction mama. Bawal na igalaw yung paa, straight lang until mag-stop sa landing.
Okay.
Then paglabas sa gate, kailangan you can move your arms, it's okay, no problem, not the legs, ha?
Ah, okay.
Okay, but when you're reaching the end, malapit na sa landing, kamay niya sa kilid.
Arms to the side lang.
Oh,
And head down.
Until
Okay.
mag-stop sa
Ganun,
landing.
ano?
Yes, ma'am.
When you reach the end,
Ito,
makikita nyo naman may
Pag sa landing na po, dito. Then,
Ay, pwede ganito na lang.
Yes,
Ah, okay.
and pull it down.
Okay.
Pagdating nyo na dun sa dulo.
Ah, sige.
Pero while you're flying here, enjoy the
It's
sight.
free. It's free to open the...
No moving of the feet.
Asa kuya?
Okay, ready?
Dili makakubakurat ha?
Yeah.
Sige, go!
Okay, enjoy
Go,
ma'am. Do your flight. Okay, sir, tower, take off 1 and 2, take off. Okay, enjoy, have fun!